Let's turn attention now to the nation's capital, where the Court of Appeal has affirmed Julius Abure as the national chairman of the Labour Party. In a unanimous decision, the appellate court overturned an order of the FCT High Court, which barred the Abure-led Executives from piloting the affairs of the Labour Party. Judiciary correspondent Celestine Area reports.
The FCT High Court's order was as a result of a suit filed by the Lamidi Papa-led faction of the party. On 5th April 2023, Justice Hamza Muazu, in a ruling, barred Mr. Abure and 3 others from parading themselves as national officers of the party. The restraining order followed an ex parte application that was brought before the court by 8 aggrieved members of the party loyal to a Papa faction that Mr. Abure cannot continue to function in office as a national chairman of the party after being suspended by his ward. Mr. Abure took the matter to the Court of Appeal. Delivering judgment, the appellate court faulted the lower court, which it said wrongly assumed jurisdiction in the matter. The case of the plaintiffs were incompetent, noting that since they raised issues that bordered on fraud and criminality, they ought to have commenced the action through a writ of summons, which would allow parties to call witnesses and tender relevant evidence before the court. It maintained that Justice Muazu was wrong when he held that the case could be effectively determined through originating summons.
And by the judgment of the Court of Appeal, the Court of Appeal has found that that action, as contrived, was incompetent. It was null and void. So, with that action being found to be incompetent, then that means that all the claims of those factions or those individuals who were challenging the chairmanship position being occupied by Julius Abure, they possessed or they did not possess the virus to even institute the action at all.
All we are saying is that our brothers out there should please come back. The party is open. The party is willing to readmit them. Whatever the party had wanted was a new Nigeria.
The appellate court also held that issues the plaintiffs raised before the High Court bordered on domestic affairs of a political party, which no court was permitted to delve into. Celestina Area, TVC News